101 session. Today, first of all, I will introduce about Fidel Softec. Fidel Softec is a Landtech company. We are working in a fintech, IT services, RPA, localization and translation services from many years. Today, in this one-on-one session, we have with us is Avadut Joshi. He is working in Fidel. Avadut is a postgraduate from Pune University in Marathi literature specialization in creative writing. Avadut has total 16 years of experience. Welcome, Avadut.
Thank you, Pooja, for the nice introduction and giving me this opportunity to interact with all of you.
So, what is multilingual transcription?
As you must have seen, Pooja, at Fidel in our office, a big team listening to the audio and they're typing it. So it's quite self-explanatory sort of task where we listen to the audio and we transcribe it. We convert the audio into text format. Well, to convert the audio into text, there are different technologies, different requirements of also from client. So one is manual way, the way we do, because our clients want us to do the transcription manually. But also, new technologies are emerging. There is something called S2T, speech to text, where you input the audio and the transcription is ready. On a very broader note, this is what transcription, and multilingual, it means again very much self-explanatory, many languages, multiple languages, and we have been working in different languages, different Indian languages, different foreign languages, Japanese, Chinese, Indonesian, Vietnamese, Thai. When you talk about Indian languages, we have separate teams for Marathi, for Hindi, for Bengali, for Tamil, for Telugu, Kannada, yeah. And as our client require us to gather the data as well, so we produce the audios as well, which we further transcribe them for our client. And while recording the audios, we also ensure that we cover all the territories, all the dialects, different dialects of any given language. So Fidel is extensively working on different languages, recording the data, transcribing them on very fast-paced atmosphere. You must have seen hundreds of people working at our office. So we have larger teams. We have dedicated project managers. We have dedicated project coordinators, language-wise. They look at, and they concentrate to their language, the language which is assigned. Hence, they are very focused.